Welcome back everybody to Just Piddlin Barbecue. Today I'm going to do a homemade cheesecake. Okay, today I'm going to cook on our son Nate's Pro 22. We haven't cooked on the channel with it yet, so I'm going to cook the cheesecake and we may cook some chicken wings later. Alright, so I'm going to make a homemade crust. I've never made one of those before. So okay, I have 10 sheets of graham crackers that I have chopped up in the food processor. I have 2 tablespoons of white sugar. I have 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And 7 tablespoons of melted butter. Going to mix this all up real good with a fork, and after it's mixed up well, I will pour it into a 9-inch pie plate. So I've mixed all the ingredients together with the graham crackers. I'm going to pour it into the 9-inch pie plate, spread it around, and then I'm going to pack it with a measuring cup. Okay, the grill is at the temp. We're going to bake this at 375 for 7 to 10 minutes. While it's baking, I'm going to mix up the cheesecake. Okay, so now for the cream cheese filling, I have 2 softened 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese, a half a cup of sugar, and this is supposed to be 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, but I don't measure it. I just pour a little bit in there. Looks good. We're going to mix this till it's smooth. Then we add 2 eggs. We'll mix those well. Okay, it takes about 10 minutes for the pie crust to be on. So I'm going to take it off. Get ready to pour in the cream cheese filling. So now I'm going to pour in the cream cheese filling on top of the crust. I've turned the grill down to 325. So now I've got the cream cheese pie filling inside the crust and it's ready to go back on the grill. So now I've got the grill at 325. I'm going to put the cheesecake in and it's going to cook 25 to 30 minutes. Alright guys, the cheesecake has been baking for 35 minutes. We're going to pull it off. We'll take it inside and let it cool. Once it cools, I'll cut it up and give it a taste. Okay, the cheesecake has cooled. I sliced it, so now it's time to taste. Really good, creamy. The crust is a little gooey, but still good. So give this recipe a try on my husband's channel, Just Piddlin BBQ. And until next time, we'll be piddling. Okay, the grill is up to temp. We're gonna bake this at 375. I gotta do that again. Might just intro. Alright, today I'm going to cook on the, shit, I forgot it.